All right, so you know I bought this Arc Captain, this plasma cutter from Temu. Don't know what it's going to be or not. We're going to open it up and check it out. We're also going to test it, see what all it'll cut. So I bought a cart from Harbor Freight, and we're going to put that together right quick. And after we get that put together, we're going to open that box up, and we'll go through and put it on the new cart and see how it works, see what it looks like, see what it'll cut and everything. So let's check it out. Alright, already see what appears to be an axle. These are probably instructions. Set these over to the side for when I don't realize know what I'm doing. So, alright. It is packaged very well. Very well packaged, I have to say. Wrapped up nice. The paint on this stuff appears to be, maybe it's powder coated, I guess. But it's really nice, you know. It's really nice. That's good. Let's turn this lid over a little bit so we can use it as a can to put all this garbage in anyway. Uh-oh. Chains and screws. That's a lot of them too. Good gracious. Now some wheels. I do notice that these are rubber wheels, but it's got plastic inserts in them. So the other one that I have that's a Harbor Freight cart doesn't roll very well. The front wheels are kind of jacked. These seem to be a little better. Maybe they are, but these are rubber also. The ones on my other cart are steel. So we'll see. All right, here's some L brackets here. This is probably going to be for wrapping a hose on the side of it, or hanging a hose on the side of it. One. They have this stuff wrapped up tight, I know that. And they are not wanting you to get in it very easily, that is for certain. I hate to get a knife out and score it. Might mess it up. May cause it to rust or something. Who knows? We'll keep from doing that if we can. Two of those. And here's a empty box. I bet this is the top part, but it is really nice and shiny. I mean, it is really packaged very well. Very well packaged, I'll have to say. This is going to be the very bottom, I'm assuming. Okay. Let's use this. Maybe we can put it on there like that. And We can open this up now and sort these out maybe. Okay. Let's see. We'll go ahead and pull that chain out and that chain out right there. I'm assuming these are for the wheels right here. Go ahead and put those on there. And you'll look, the longer side goes toward the inside of the cart. Not everything is like that, but this is. Most definitely. We'll do this one same way. Put the washer on and put this in. Alright, there's that. Now, I'm assuming all of these are the same length. So I got all these pieces laid out and everything looks to be in good quality. I went ahead and put the wheels on and I got the tools to put the rest of these nuts and bolts on, because it's got nuts and bolts. They go all over this thing. So I'm going to start putting it together and we'll go from there, and I'll kind of go along the way. Maybe I'll give you a good aerial view from the top. Now, nut. This is a lot of nuts and bolts on this thing. Yeah, get you some of that. Quit running. Get your butt back here. Try to stack all this up. This is gonna take a minute, guys. This is gonna take a minute. Gotta do this on every one of them. I guess once I get one up there and get it held into place, it won't be too bad. I'll just get one, and then I'll put this on. Then I'll put the lock washer on, and then the nut. You know, I wonder if that's going to hit right there. I guess it's not going to hit. It didn't hit that one, so we'll see. Washer, lock washer, and a nut. This is going to take forever. washer. Hope you can see this still. Don't think I need these chains here, but I'll go ahead and put them in there anyway. Well, that's nice. Now there you have it. The 100-pound welding cart from Harbor Freight. Whoop. Well, I didn't want to go upside down, did you? The 100-pound Harbor Freight welding cart. It's $49 or $50, might as well say. But I think it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna set that Art Captain right there, right on top, right here. Well, guys, the Art Captain is going to be the very next video, so y'all stay tuned. Hit that like button and that subscribe button, and come back and see me again. We'll go through more of this stuff. I promise you, you're going to enjoy it. Have a good one.